¿Por qué renuncias a tu tiro? ¿Por qué se ha renunciado a tu tiro para recién entrado del banquillo cogerte un culo? ¡Tira tu tiro! ¡Tira tu tiro, que el último que has tirado lo has metido!
Hey, watch out. I didn't see any red. I didn't see any green.
Any fight, they are beating us. One-on-one now with Villar. Any.
Here, Andrew is on the floor. You're watching. Here, one foul to give. Foul. You have to play more aggressive. We are losing by 30. When do you want to start playing aggressive? On the rebound, pursuing the ball.
You respect so much then. I probably am guilty about this question. But you don't want to play with tension. Not at all. We are not taking the lead. We go behind. We don't commit foul. We make presents. We are not vertical enough. We're going to try to play 1 against 5.
¿Cuándo vais a empezar? Nada que perder, hombre. Hay que jugar bien.
Play man and defense. Man and defense. No hay otra. Tenemos que jugar alguna defensa. Alguna. ¡Eh! Cambiar las caras, tío.
Watching our faces, our body language is a bullshit.
Let's go, guys.
Up to you guys.
Vamos, tío, vamos.